Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. My name is Kingsley. I'm your host on PPP Drahams. So, how has it been? How was yesterday's trade? Did you make profit yesterday's trade? With yesterday's trade, did you make profit when after yesterday's trade? After I dropped some signals on the group, did you make profit? Did you make profit today with my two signals on the group? Please comment. Let me know what is going on with you so that we know how we can make adjustments. Okay. So it's good to have everyone on board. It's really good to have everyone on board. You guys are welcome on board today. So today the major thing we are I due to yesterday's event, you can remember vividly whether this happened yesterday when my uncle was speaking, my uncle Powell was speaking. So today perhaps he's going to testify again today. Perhaps we could have a correction of this entire move today. I don't know. As it stands now, I don't have any bias. But then the way I look at the setups here, I can see this, I can see this, and I can see this. These are called this. The combination of these three things are called three tops, or is it? Yeah, three three tops. Yeah, it's called three tops, right? Just we have top, two top, God Almighty, double top, triple top. Yeah, thank you very much. It's called triple top. Hi, Kenneth Uchechuku and Relax Sleep. So it's called triple top, and of course, you know what happens with triple top. If you have encountered the triple top, the way it happens is that this entire move is going to be corrected. There should be some sort of drop from 11600 until maybe until somewhere around 11142.008. So let's hope this is actually a confirmation, some sort of confirmation that price is about to reverse and go heavily downside. I don't want to talk too much today as usual, even though I say it and I actually do something else. So let us just get straight to the analysis for the day. So going into weekly time frame, you're going to see the weekly time frame is bullish, but the way it's behaving, it seems it's going to reverse. It seems this is some sort of retest, to retest last week's move before it continues moving down, perhaps to somewhere 11081, or maybe with enough volume it might get to 106.76.23. Okay, so this is the plan for this is what I see using the weekly time frame. So moving over to daily time frame, you're going to see very well that we're in a range. We're in a range in market, and the range is between 11590 and 11167.80. So this is the range, and the way it is, the three tops has been formed there, which is 1, 2, and 3. So there are chances that price may continue downwards, and also the way this has built up, the price has built up this candle. It is possible that the break of this high, the high of this candle, is going to cause price to retest 11861. Okay, so let's hope for the best. As of now, I am biasless. What I see is what I'm going to trade, right? So moving over to 4 hours time frame, we can clearly see that we have some sort of support right here. Why do we have support here? We have first week rejection, second week rejection, third week rejection. Okay, that is why we have support there. Okay, and then on the contrary, we still have some sort of resistance around here, but then this actually I can confirm with another one above it, which is do I say godfather of all resistance. Okay, so, but I'm going to make use of this, then make use of the second one later. Okay, so I'm going to make use of this. This is the most relevant one that we could actually action without issues. So let's see how this goes. This 4 hours candle formed without bottom wick, and I gave out a signal here, which of course, if you are smart enough, you must have closed your trades when it was at 85 pips. It was a smart thing to do, right? So I gave out signal, and of course some people took advantage of it, and they did a very nice comeback. So the question is, what is price going to do? We have 7 minutes until current 4 hours closes. So when this 4 hours closes, what's going to be the fate of this asset that we're trading? I don't know, you don't know either, but I can tell you clearly that the break of this low, the break of the low of the current candle is going to cause some sort of fall to at least this level, which is 11190. Okay, with enough volume is going to drop until 11317. Of course, with excess volume, if my uncle is picking some making sense stuffs, it could drop until 11166. Okay, that is all I see. I don't think with this here, which with the I'm talking about the weak rejections, and this here, and of course what happened there. If you remember what happened there, this is a fake out. Fake out. If you go to daily time frame, you're going to see that this is actually a weak rejection, right? Go to daily time frame and see for yourself. See, this is a weak rejection. If you remember the last time I just drew now, so this is when the with the way it's acted, you can see it is a pure weak rejection. So this area is a very strong resistant area. Is an area to watch out for. That is why the moment we got into 50 pips, I advised everyone in my group to do what? To close partials, close 50%. The money belongs to you. Nobody is going to ever take it away from you, because it's your money and your money alone, unless you decide to give it back to market. Okay, you made the money already. It belongs to you and you alone, and no other person. Okay, so let's see what is price going to do. I don't know, you don't know either. So let's go to 1 hour time frame, or do I say, let me quickly mark this level. Let me mark this level. This level is a very important one. Okay, so we can actually curtail our our trading today. If we can see a break of this low, we can actually trade until we make somewhere around 232 pips, and that's it for the day. I'm not waiting for price to actually come here. I don't have any business with this area. Why do I say that? I don't have any business with this area because of this. Okay, can you see? So we can see from here, it's this area, this level has been an issue. 11323 has been an issue from onset, right? See what is going on here. It has happened again. If price comes down here again, I don't think it's going to penetrate here at once. It could form some consolidation with that before going down. So that is the reason why, if price comes down here, I'm going to take profit. If it comes down here, right? I'm not going to wait for this space. This space, the day is going to break. It's going to just break once and for all, and that's it. Okay. Okay. Oh, apologies there. Apologies. So sorry. I don't know where I left off, or where you left off. I don't know. You can comment on last thing you heard, so I can repeat that. Okay. So, but I don't think we've gone deep into today's analysis. We've not gone deep. There's nothing to analyze anyway. You will just trade price actions, and I've marked out the levels. I just need to just add some comments to the levels, so I can proceed with today's trading. So I'm gonna just remove these comments here. So this is where I'm marking for this today. So I'm not sure price is going to exceed here. Even if price crosses here, there is another issue here, which is this week right here. I mean, not just this one, everything here, every single one of this weeks here, they all matter, right? So it's better I anticipate sales. Even if I see buys, I'm just going to be very careful. Okay, let's see how things turn out, guys. So this is it with the analysis. Guys, really, I don't know why my stuff is lagging. Perhaps I'm using some wrong settings on OBS. I don't know, but let me see if it's possible to use another software for streaming, because OBS obviously is just messing me up. A lot of people are complaining about lagging sound or something. Let's see how that works out. So let's look. I just want to mark some some levels close here, so I can get in on time, so that I can make more profits. Just looking for something smart to to do around here. So let's see, perhaps I could actually 15 minutes. This is not bad. This is not bad. Maybe perhaps, yeah, exactly. So I think this is a fantastic thing to do. That's a fantastic zone. So I could say the break below here is going to be our sell, and break above here is going to be our buy, and then this is going to be our partial profits, and this is going to be of course our final TP, if I'm permitted to say that. So this is going to be our final TP. So this is the plan for the day. So if price goes up, I'm just gonna let me intentionally mark this level because it's a very critical level at there. I'm just gonna mark it because it matters a lot. So I'm just gonna mark it. So it's a very important level, okay, that we should pay some respect to, right? So let's just mark it. So this area we're going to secure about 80%. We need to secure about 75 to 80% here because a price may touch here and it's going to form some sort of fake out, right? Look at this, level, right? Look at this level 11669. This is a very important level, right? So you can see it's all important level. Price could just hit this and it's going to be some sort of rock bottom and it's going to reverse and keep going down. I don't know what price is going to do today. Again, I'm repeating, if you're asking me where price is going today, brothers, sisters, I don't know. Based on whatever price does, then I'm going to decide what I'm going to do. Okay, so let's keep marking our levels here. Here is going to be break above, here is going to be a buy, break below here is going to be a sell. Okay, it's going to be a sell, and because this, I think I marked it. Oh, I've not marked it before. So this is going to be TP, not TP per se. I'm going to close 50 to 80% here, and then I don't trust this level. This level I'm going to call it extended profits. I don't trust it. I'm going to call it extended profits and mark out a profit level somewhere around here. I'm going to mark out a profit or take profit somewhere around here. Okay, this is going to be our take profit. This is going to be our extended profit just in case price gets there. I'm sure of it, I'm not sure of it. Okay, so let's see what price is about to do. Based on that, we can take certain actions. Oh, okay, I'm just going to zoom in so that we can see every single bit of move that price is making. Now this guy has broken the previous 15 minutes and it broke it and closed above the open. So most likely for those who have the strength, you can buy here. For me, I'm not buying. For those who have the money, who want to risk something, come get in here, and of course with your stop loss around here, but please make sure you're risking very low amount of money. Okay, so this is 5 o'clock already, so it seems like it's a good decision. Why do I say it's a good decision? I said it's a good decision first because we have a range here, okay, 1 second, let me just. Okay, gentlemen, I'm back. Just let's see how this works out. If you can hear me, let me know, please. If the screen is okay now, let me know. Man, I gotta work on this. Really, I don't know what could be the cause of this. Perhaps I'm using the wrong settings. I'm gonna research it today to find out. I need this to stop. I mean, this is not good enough. It's not good for me. Right? So, please let me know if you can hear me, guys, gentlemen. Let me know if you can hear me, gentlemen, please. Yeah, the voice is loud and clear. And what about the video? Is the video loud and clear? Is it clear also, the video? Apologies, guys. I think I'm using the wrong configuration for my videos. Let me just make some research. We can hear you. Yes, we can. Yeah, hearing is okay. I mean, talking about the video. Is the video clear? Is my video clear, guys? Thanks for responding, by the way. Oh, apologies, guys. I never knew about this. Thanks for the feedback. Okay, let's work on it. Okay, let's work on this as a team. So we can see clearly our buy stop is triggered already. So congrats to everyone that got in. Congrats. Let's see. Like I told you guys, price is just gonna is just gonna move. It's just gonna move and move and move. Once price gets to 11669.66, then we can close the partials and continue waiting for price to see close partials and of course move our our stop loss to break even. Yeah, I'm so sorry, guys. We're gonna fix this, I promise. This should not be like this. It shouldn't happen again tomorrow, unless after my troubleshooting I find out that it's actually a technical issue. If it's a tech issue that I cannot handle, then I'm gonna have to insist on getting a new laptop, a new desktop. Okay, let's hope it's not a tech issue. So we are fully in, so we need to remove some things that are not necessary on the dashboard. So let's see how this is going to work out for us. We just have to be careful, guys, because I can see some obstructions here. Obstructions in the sense that if price moves anywhere to break the low of this current 1 hour candle, if it moves to break the low of this current 1 hour candle, we may see 114. That's this level. We may see 114.77, 114.77. Okay, we may see the moment price breaks below here. So that's why I have to be like as smart as a fish. Okay. Whoa, apologies, man. Mr. Tarvinder Sengil, what you need to do is perhaps after my live streaming, go ahead and review the videos. You're gonna get all the explanations. Okay, I just want everyone to understand why I take certain decisions. Okay, but then if you're not in the trade, we are buying. We discussed, we agreed to buy. So this is what we're looking at. Excuse me for one moment. Let me just look at US oil to see how my guy is doing. He's doing quite great. I posted this signal on the group this afternoon. Okay, when price was right here, look at price already corrected. It has corrected the breakout. Okay, now we expect to see further move upside. We expect to see further move to the upside. Okay, it has broken, though it broke this candle low up and down. I don't know, it's not a good thing, but then from what I see, I think price is going to continue going up. Otherwise, if you're in this trade, if you're in my group and you took this trade, Telegram group, and you took this trade, I will advise you to move your stop loss to break even. Okay, so that if this goes back, you're not going to lose nothing. Okay, move your stop loss to break even. We have something here from Abdurrahman. NAS100. Rahman, if you could please add some more notes, at least add some notes to your graph so that we can understand what you are trying to say. Okay, add some notes to your charts, explaining to us what you want us to see. Okay. Yeah, so if it passes 11669.7 and the 1 hour close is above that, can I entry buy? Well, we already in a trade, Mr. Tarvinder. We already opened a trade, a buy position right from 11616. Okay, we already opened the position, but then if you can still, if you want to be marginal, if you want to be, very, what was it called? Uh, if you want to be very careful, I think it makes sense to wait for price to close at least. If it closes, if it crosses 11669.66, then if it closes above there, we'll have to wait for the next candle to do what? Give us a week, something like this. If you can see, I'm drawing. If you can see my drawing, we have to wait for the next candle to give us something like this. Then we can enter above, above the previous 1 hour. Okay. So it's always been the plan. That is what I trade every time. Okay. So we're waiting to see if price is going to close. Just cross. I just want to see a cross above here, right? If I see a cross above there, then it makes sense. But then looking at the way this is moving, I think I may advise everyone to take some profits because we are approaching 5:30. 5:30, right? So you know what happens at 5:30? Market becomes unstable. The volume comes in and becomes so volatile. It could do anything at any point in time. So if you have the mind, please start closing your partials. You must not wait for 11669.66 to close your partials. Okay. If you can close maybe 10%, 20%. Okay. If you have the opportunity to close partials. Hello, 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 hello. Will US100 continue buying? Dear Mr. Kenneth, I do not know. Okay, but from the settings here, remember I told you guys, market moves what in waves, right? Look at it. Okay, up, down, up, down. Again, it went up, right? Came down, so it should be going up, right? By theoretically it should be going up, right? It's moving in waves. It should at least come up somewhere here. I mean, I anticipate, right? So but then do not, if you are so wise, if you're wise and you understand the concept of trading, then I think you should close your positions here. Okay, you should close your positions at 11669 and wait for a breakout. Okay, if we see a breakout, we'll take another trade. So because of that, I'm just gonna move this. I'm just going to move this, my TP, to this zone. Okay, let's take this profit completely here, right? And then when we confirm a breakout above this level, right, then we wait for another fantastic entry and ride the profits to what, to make 64 pips. I think it makes sense. It makes sense, right? So let's just do this way. So as per your question, I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know what market wants to do next, right? But theoretically, it should continue going up. Okay. You mean US oil? Okay, okay, okay. Let's take a look at US oil. Mr. US oil. Oops, 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 guys. It's moving so nicely. It's moving so nicely. So, Kenneth, if you're on this trade, all I'm gonna advise you is to move your stop loss, okay, somewhere here. Okay, that's all my advice for you. Move your, let's see if, yeah, that's the only safest haven we have here. So move your stop loss somewhere here, secure these little profits, these tiny profits. You're going to know the importance on a day a stupid move is going to happen, right? So this is just this is just 24 pips. 24 pips is better than nothing. Move your stop loss above to 24 pips. Okay, I'm going to put the price there. Okay, move your stop loss to 24 pips and leave this trade alone. Just close your eyes to this trade and focus on NAS100. Okay, because I feel I don't have a plan for this, but I have a feeling that, because from what I see, it could just continue going up until our final target. Okay, do not forget, when this trade works out, you guys should start doing something for me. Doing what? By opening your accounts, for your new forex accounts with my IB link. So what I could say about this trade now is, I don't want anyone to panic. All you need to do is to move your stop loss closer, okay, to low of the current 30 minutes. You're going to thank me later. Okay, move your stop loss to below, to the low, if possible. Even move it to break even. Move your stop loss to break even. Make sure there's no risk again. Move your stop loss to break even. Make sure you've cleared all the risk on this trade. Do not worry for 1 minute. It's about 5:30. We're going to see what market is going to do. Okay, it's about to hit 5:30. The buy time, that is 9:30 a.m. EST. Let's see what market is going to do. Okay, so I have a feeling it's going to continue. If it doesn't continue, then the break of this low, if price breaks below here, it means we should continue selling. This is going to be our sell stop. Okay, 7 seconds to go. Seven seconds to go. Oh, sorry, it's already opened. So if you see price breaking 11604.72, then brace up and please get in. Let's take some profits at least. 22 pips. Then if we have enough volume, we can take it up to 45 pips. Okay, and then subsequently to 111. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I think this young man just deceived us. Now for Mr. Tarvinda, this is your entry right here. This is your entry for buy your entry. If you want to go long, here is your entry. Okay, and this is actually 11650. For those of us that want to scale in, this is an opportunity to scale in. The break of 11650 is an opportunity to scale in, but I wouldn't advise that. I don't do scaling in. I just enter position and get out. I don't scale in. Okay. For those of us that want to scale in, it should be in by now, Mr. Tarvinder. Should be in by now, Tarvinder. So let's see how this plays out. Whether NYSE open is actually a good thing for us today, or is it going to cost us? Okay, and make sure that your stop loss is not be look, let me make it somewhere here. Your final stop loss, everyone, should not be below there. If it crosses, it's never coming back. Guys, it's never coming back again. So unfortunately, it's never coming back. It's going to keep going down. So what I'm going to do now is to wait for, now I've seen a clean direction, right? So I'm just going to wait for 5 minutes to close. Then based on the close of 5 minutes, I can decide where I want to go. Okay, hang on in there, guys. We're going to take another trade. Okay, let's see where price is going first, then we can continue. Like I told you guys, NYSE open is going to be bloody as usual, so deceitful. Okay, I just want to say something here, some confirmation now. Now you look at 4 hours time frame, you're going to see that the bias is bullish. Look at 1 hour, you're going to see that there's a little bit of confusion here, right? The previous candle is bearish and the current candle is is aligned with 4 hours. Yesterday we had something different, right, whereby 4 hours and 1 hour they were aligned. That was why I decided to open a trade here, right? And of course with my steeper wick confirmation here. Okay, so the question now is price going to continue going down, or is it going to align with 4 hours and become a bullish market? I cannot answer that question until I see what price is actually doing. Okay, so this low is completely broken. You can see what actually happened there is some sort of liquidation, whereby price crossed the previous candle with just perhaps one pip, but then the other way around, you can see 30 minutes, previous 30 minutes is low is broken. So I have at least some sort of stronger conviction that price is going down. Okay, so if you want to get into a trade, okay, let's see if price gets back to this area. I know it's not advisable to get in here, but with the confirmation I have, I think it's going to happen. Okay, this is entry number 1, this is entry number 2. For those of us who are yet to enter, this is entry number 2, and I think it's happening already. So let's give it a last shot and then we end the stream. Last shot, please. Last shot, and this is about 70 pips for a profit of about, let's target 1 second please. Let's target, nice, I don't want to target this zone. I just want to target this weak rejection here, because wicks, they have this powerful way of dealing with, with price, right? I have explained that before. So that's why I'm targeting this weak rejection here. So we're expecting price to keep going down now until we are at 11416.40. Like I said, I trade based on price action. If price does this, I do this. If price does this, I do this. I don't say, if I hear me say price is moving up, it's moving down, it's as a result of price action, right? It can be invalidated after the moment I said it, right? So it makes sense for you to always be at alert and always close partials. If you close your partials here, you are a big boy or something. So let's look at our US oil and see. US oil, well, let's see this. If you are still in this trade, I will advise you to close your partials. I'm saying this because look at what happened here. What if what happened there is about to happen here, right? Whereby this guy is as tall as this, but then got invalidated by this. So what if this guy who is as tall as this is going to be invalidated by the next candle? Never can tell. So close the partials at least 50 to 80% and leave the rest to run. Okay. So our trade is doing nice. First trade is break even. Second trade looks like it's going to be nice. Looks like our second trade is going to be nice. Please let me know if you took the first trade, if you made money, or if you lost in the first trade, and let me know the update on second trade as well. Please do let me know if you took the trade or not. Please, I want to know who took the trades, please. So now we've got a clear direction, so it means the price is going to go all the way down. As you can see from 4 hours, you can see what happened, right? I talked about if price breaks below here, below the previous previous 4 hours, it means the price may yet see 11417, right? I think it's happening already. So let's enjoy our profits. Let me know, guys, if you lost or won in the first trade, or you actually got ended the trade at break even, like I advised. Okay. Do not forget, if you want to follow me, join me in trading, you have to follow a very quick advice. You have to follow like a goat, just like I think like a goat. Forgive me for that. I don't think like a goat. So Rahman, did you take any of the trades? So of course we're going to use our normal method, our usual method, which is closing partials. We're going to reinvent the wheels. Oh God. Okay, it seems no one took this trade. No one is responding. It's okay. So this is oh, if I had known that this is up to 45 pips, man, I would have taken partials here. Okay, it's okay. No, nothing has damaged yet. So let's do something. I'm gonna mark out 30 pips. Once price gets back to 30 pips, then we're gonna close partials. Okay. Price will definitely keep going down. I mean, based on price action, of course, it's not always the case. because in some cases, whatever thing we're looking out for happens, but then this market makers decide to destabilize us. You know what I mean? So you are advised to close partials at 11546 or whatever it's called. Close 50% at least, and the move stop loss to BE. Okay, so I don't think I have the need for this anymore. But do not be, yes, so guys, close partials and move stop loss to break even. So now it is now a risk-free trade. So congrats to everyone that closed partials, and for those that are very adamant, enjoy. One day you're going to reap the fruit of disobedience. Okay, for those of us that close partials, congrats. At least nobody's going to take that money away from you, but make sure you as well move your stop loss to break even. If we hit a break even, I'm not going to take another trade again. I'm going to call it a day. Okay, so just so you know. If a price hits our stop loss, we call it a day. Everyone, you go home with the money we've made today. We've made money from this pair at least a couple of times today. Okay, and of course US oil for those that took the trade on my group. So if price, oh, did he go, oh, okay, what is this, man? Is this guy crazy or insane, or what is it doing? So for those of us that closed partials, congrats. That's all I can say. Let's see. Okay, so guys, that is it for today, but rest assured that something is going to happen here. Okay, maybe, I don't know what 4 hours is trying to do. I don't know, because this weak rejection here is very strong. It seems this is very strong, like it's so strong, man. But I'm expecting price to go down regardless of what happens. You know, this is top 1, 2 and 3. That's a triple top, so I'm expecting price to go down. But then so what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna end the live stream. Okay, so I'm gonna catch you guys on channel. If I see anything, any update, I'm gonna drop. If possible, I'm gonna call more trades, okay, during our live on my group. Okay, but rest assured, this looks so bearish. Market looks so bearish. Okay, so if perhaps you didn't get into the trade, you can still try it out, but then this is not the way I trade. I don't advise people to do that, but then sometimes you may take your chances. I don't do that. So that's it, guys. That's it. At least we've gotten some money today. We've gotten some cash today. I know some people are disappointed. Oh my god, we just took only 50%. Guys, do not be greedy. Just appreciate what you have. Okay, appreciate whatever you have. Okay, we took the first turn, then we broke even, so without risk. We handled the first trade without risk. Then the second trade, we broke even. We didn't have any risk again. We did 2 trades without any risk. I mean, that's enough for one day, guys. As long as you follow my instructions, mark my words, price will still drop, just like I said, but then I'm out. I mean, it's not my trading system is not to wait for price to go up and down. I just take my profit and get the hell out, just like I always tell you guys. Okay, so see you guys tomorrow. If you have any comments, if you have any any suggestions or something, you know how to reach me. Look me up on Telegram. Join my group, the same name, PP Pedro Hams, on Telegram. Just go to Telegram and explore. Just come over there and you see my personal ID. Ping me, tell me anything you want to tell me. If you think there's something we're missing out during our tradings, do let me know so that we can fix it up. Okay. Thanks everyone for joining. Peace.